Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS is James here. How are you today? In this video I would like to focus on showing the setup that we already finished in the BMW E46 330i series 2005 model, and this one, it came with the factory setup deviation setup before, which is the high trim level of the BMW E46. It got 40 screen, it got 40 components, so absolutely there was no functioning of the entertainment system and absolutely no sound at all. And currently it's already been done with the new 10-inch premium head unit setup, high definition anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera, which is here. And also it comes with a very special design that we bring in a new dual amplifier from Pioneer D Class Pioneer. Okay, so let me open here. So look at this. In the past, you know that it got the setup here for the factory amplifier, factory component for the entertainment setup, and currently it's already been done with the new setup. And oops, inside here we have dual amplifier of the Pioneer fit right here, fully connect properly to all the premium speakers in this car, and we already tuned up the sound setup. So at this moment the sound inside this car is much better, clearer and nicer because of the performance of the dual Pioneer amplifiers. Yes, that's about how actually we fix up the problem in this car model with the sound setup and the navigation issue. And currently it's ready for pickup. It's ready with wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto on our premium setup. So everything is ready, and yeah, we hope that you enjoyed this short video. And yeah, if you have the same car and if you have something like this, you know that we can sort it out easily at no time at all. So thanks again for watching, and hopefully you will enjoy it now. For about a few seconds I want to show off how fast our premium system can turn on. Okay, we put the key in and we turn the system on. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I just stopped at 8 seconds. Our wireless Apple CarPlay comes straight on the screen, connect to our phone, ready to go, ready to play music and navigation. So hopefully you enjoy it. Thanks again, and we'll see you then.